Hi, my name is Scott Paisley. I'm with Cisco Systems here at the DTECH convention. I wanted to demonstrate for you guys today the Cisco Energywise management platform. And really what this does is it solves a basic problem in the industry that's missing today. So building managers typically can understand the HVAC load and maybe the lighting load, but there's this unknown, which is all of the plug load that's out there. So the Cisco Energywise management system really gives you the ability to see any kind of device that has an IP address, and then we can provide analysis around that, find the analytics, how much power it's drawing, which ones are drawing that much power, and then also have actual command and control around those devices as well. So let's take a look at this. This is a dashboard. We can look at the HVAC load, the lighting load, and different plug loads that are out there. If we want to dive down into the different systems themselves, I could look at like an IT dashboard, which can show groups by device, by monitor, storage, HVAC, wireless access points. Here's different vendors and the different vendors that we're monitoring. Because we have the ability to see the information at a device level, we can group it any way we want. In fact, if I want to look at a data center dashboard, I could look at the data center and provide information by rack, by row, by PDU, or maybe just look at the entire total power of that particular data center. But once we have that information, the question still remains, what power do each of the individual devices deploy that we can see? We can look at those individual devices and, as I mentioned, group them in any way we want. So if I want to look at different models, like if I want to see all the Cisco devices, I just click the Cisco devices, and then all the Cisco devices that we're looking at show up on the list on the right. We can also run some reports, which is really important with regards to the analytics. This particular report could show potential savings in your organization. So for example, what we would do is we would start to monitor all of the systems inside your organization. So if you look here, the baseline is the blue line that we would see, and that blue line provides the amount of power that those devices are using. If we scroll back up here to the top, the question is, what if we were to turn those devices off nights and weekends? What we would see is that you could save $700,000 a year by turning those devices off for nights and weekends. To give you an example as to how we would do this, I actually have a live camera view here. So let me just enable the camera. And this is of a system that I have at my house in Virginia. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to turn a light on by using the Cisco Energywise protocol that will send a command to a PDU that understands this protocol. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this light, I'm going to execute a power on command, and then let's go back over to our live view here, and then we can see we've got the blinking lights here, and there's the light comes on. So this actually provides the ability to not only have the visibility of where the power is going, but also provide the command and control to provide the savings automatically. And that's a Cisco Energywise manager.